What's up, y'all? It's Dash. Today I'm back. As you saw in my last video, I had the Athena Chroma Lucos bag in white. Really pretty bag. Perfect design. Really classy and elegant. But today, I have a tote for y'all. I'm very excited. It's one of the prettiest totes I have seen from any company thus far. And honestly, I think Athena is pretty unbeatable at this time.
Let me talk to you.
Better watch your mouth, don't play yourself, don't do me. I'm selective and pretty picky and rightfully choosy. Better watch your mouth, don't play yourself, don't do me. I'm selective and pretty picky and rightfully choosy. I'm not for everybody. Oh no.
So y'all need to shop now. For those who haven't heard, eyes who have unfortunately not seen this bag yet, and those that just want to see it again, because I want to see it again, here is the Chroma Lucos bag. The straps are adjustable. There's a logo on the back, the front as well. Very classy, very much given. Yes. But enough of the talking. Let's get into this new bag. Here. Wow, y'all stop playing. Hold on. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Megàlo Roz snake bag. Okay, as one of the winners for the Mother's Day giveaway, this was what I won, and it's so lovely. So right now, I am going to cut off the excess material. Into the contents. I'll come back when I'm done cutting, all the wrapping and whatnot. So honestly, I think I have a new favorite bag already. Y'all get into it, okay? We have a logo right here. We have the Athena logo. Get into the details, y'all. Like seriously. It's the print for me, the shade, the way it all just meshed together. Like y'all can't sleep on Athena at all. Like I was saying, it also comes with an additional strap so that you can extend your tote. That's all for now, ladies and gentlemen. I love my bag. Get you one. Shop Athena today.
I'm not just anybody. Oh no.